Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to take you through a simple makeup routine which I do on a daily basis. Even when I go out, I usually do this makeup routine for my daily and my first special occasions. So if you guys are interested in this video, then do keep on watching. So guys, first things first, sanitization is very important in this COVID-19 time. So whenever you are touching your face, make sure that your hands are clean and properly sanitized. So for sanitization, I use a normal sanitizer. So I just quickly sanitize my hand before I apply anything on my face or before I touch my face. So as you all know that I have been not a pro in makeup, but I try to do makeup tutorials which I feel might be useful for people who are not into too much of makeup but they like to dress up and play up with makeup around. So this video is for all of them. So as I have already prepped my skin and I have already moisturized my skin, so I go directly to the base. So for the base I use a BB cream. So the BB cream that I use is from Prawns. So I use this BB cream as the base. So I take a little bit of BB cream in the back of my hand. So this much I take at the back of my hand and then I mix it with this calamine lotion. So this calamine lotion just gives a nice dewy effect to your face without making your face too dry or too matte. So I mix these two and I just apply this on all over my face. So I just kindly dot this on my entire face and then I just go and I just press that into my skin. This is how I do my base. After my base is done, I usually don't wear a compact or anything else. So I just have done my base. Now I move directly to the concealer. So the concealer that I use is from LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. It's in the shade beige. So I just take a little bit of concealer and put it around my eyes for a more cover up and natural look. So I just put the concealer like this and I quickly just press it in with a puff. So just for a natural and more awake eyes, I do like this. Afterwards I move on to the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup I won't do anything extra, but I just like to literally highlight my eyes with the brown shade. So the brown shade that I'm going to use is this one. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my ring finger and I'm just nicely going to dab it on my crease like this. So it just does not look much, but it just gives your eyes a light full of effect. So I just do like this and I use only my fingers to do my entire makeup. I never use any brush or something. So this is it for the eyes. Then I move in with the liner. So the liner that I use is from Lakme. So I am just going to line my eyes a little bit. So I just take the product and I just line the eyes. So like this I have lined my eyes and then I just repeat the same on my second eye. You can also try a wing if you want. So I just a little bit of just stretch it outwards. So I have lined my eyes like this. Afterwards I move on to a little blush. So I never use use a market blush or something because I do a very natural base or makeup. So what I do is I just take my lipstick, my favorite lipstick, and I just swirl it around my little ring finger like this, and I just place it on my cheeks like this, and then I use it like a blush for my face. I smile a little and I use this as a blush for my face. You can use any market blush, but I use this as a blush. I'm just going to tap it so that it just looks natural to the face. That's it. Now next up is highlighting. So for highlighter, what I would like to do is I take a little bit of trick. So I take Vaseline jelly at the back of my hand, and I mix my highlighter with it. It gives beautiful glow to the face, and then you just mix a little bit of your highlighter with the petroleum jelly. And I like the products, I like cream products more than powdered products. Then I just like to place it on the high points of my face, my cupid's bow, and I just like to simply dab the highlighter on my skin like this. And I don't know if you can see or not, but it has been blended nicely onto my skin, and that's it. So this is my highlighter. So eyebrows, I don't do much of eyebrows. I just take a spoolie and I just simply curl my eyebrows or brush my eyebrows with this spoolie like this, so just to keep them, set them in place. Or what you can do is you can apply a little Vaseline to set your eyebrows. And then I am going to fill in my lips. So first I'm going to take a lip liner, and I am just going to draw an outer circumference to fill the lips. And then I'm going to take my lipstick, it's from Lotus, and I'm just going to fill in the center of I don't like dark lipstick, so what I do is after applying lipstick I just dab off the excess like this, so that just looks a little natural. So after that, this is the makeup that I usually do for my normal days, for my videos, and for a daily outing. So this is how my makeup looks after I've done the entire makeup. Last but not the least, because I'm wearing an Indian kurti, so I'm just going to finish my look with a little bindi. So I'm just going to wear a little bindi like this in the end, just to make the look more Indian. And I'm going to wear my favorite earrings, which are going with the dress, with the kurti. So like this I'm going to wear it. And yeah, you can actually see that it just seems so natural and so nice, and it doesn't just appear a very heavy base of or very heavy coat of makeup. So it is very easy, very natural. you guys can also try it. And if you like this video, then you know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.